The future is going to be impacted in the way that we approach it. Now, that's a simple answer, but the complexity lies in how we actually go about it. I think the future is going to be impacted by whether we, push people into science, not forcibly, of course, but if we make those doors open and allow more people to, you know, experience what I find great about science, experience the things about science that's for them, that they can benefit from. Science plays a big role in our lives every day. I think most people don't realize that, but as we continue on, hopefully we can broaden those horizons to bring more people into the fold so we can have a more robust scientific community of any type.
I think that as scientific, we have different ideas, and there is a lot of problems right now in the world, and it's not that we're trying to fix them, but we're trying to make a better world for our child, for the future generations. So in different ways, for example, I'm working in nutrition right now, and what we're trying to see is to see early factors that can affect disease, because we want to prevent that people, when they get old, they get this disease. So we are trying to help people in our way, and in different areas they are trying to help the people in other ways. So I think that's the way that science is trying to help the world.
Well, I think that we're on the verge of a fabulous future for science. I think that one of the major barriers to that future is getting the interest of young, talented, scientifically oriented students to actually go into science. They're being frightened away by the difficulty in getting funded. People coming out of postdoctoral training, only 20% of them can get faculty positions, which used to be one of the primary goals of doing science, where you could do it in an academic environment. I'm very, very optimistic and hope that things like yesterday's march will inspire young people to actually think about real scientific careers.